The future of mobile communications is likely to be very different to that which we are used to today, and every consumer and every industry will be affected by the capabilities of 5G. Network speeds of far more than 10 gigabits per second, of virtual zero latency, and ultra reliability are driving forces for a new generation of applications. In April 2015, Nokia showed 10 gigabit speed with the millimeter wave proof of concept system. Today, we are pushing the limits of technology with Nokia 5G centimeter wave proof of concept live over the air. We put the main focus of the centimeter wave concept to carrier frequencies between 3 and 30 gigahertz. That is, wavelengths between 1 and 10 centimeters. This is the expected frequency range where 5G products will be deployed first globally. Nokia's CM Wave proof of concept system is versatile, enabling in future to adapt to multiple different carrier frequencies and antenna types. In our demonstration today, we show live over the air 19 gigabits per second downlink peak data rate at 15 gigahertz carrier frequency. This is an OFDMA-based TDD system with 4 times 100 megahertz component carriers. We have 8x8 MIMO, enabling 8 independent data streams sent between BTS and the UE. Finally, we have 256 QAM modulation, enabling sending of 8 bits of information per modulation symbol. This 19 gigabits per second demo is our first public step in centimeter wave build, measure, learn cycle to bring 5G for people and things everywhere.